Friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's day, friend, happened is we made a comment that Bank Nifty is stronger than Nifty, and market completely proved us wrong there. If you look at it towards the end of the day, Nifty just at the bottom. Bank Nifty broke that bottom and went further below that. Coming to the stocks that were actually pulling the market up, I would say the stocks that were strong in today's market are Hindalco, Maruti, Nestle, Bharti Airtel, JSW Steel, ITC, ONGC, and Cipla. These were the ones which were pulling the market up. Let's not forget Titan and Divis Lab also in the group. The stocks that were pulling the market down are SBI, Bajaj Auto, Kotak Mahindra, Asian Paints, Wipro, and in this list we would not want to miss out on Reliance and Infosys also, friends. Talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty, what has happened is it gave a gap down today. So this particular area, if I pull it up here, you would see it has gone ahead and given a gap down. So this was a breakdown kind of a situation and continued moving downwards. Here it started moving up again. Now anyone would short here considering these particular resistances, but what did it do? Went and hit the stop losses. Now at this level, everyone saw a breakout and would create a buy position. And what did it do? It started falling. Again, it created a breakout here. Anyone would go ahead and buy and started falling. So basically, it was trapping the retailers for the entire day. Talking about Bank Nifty, see, this was the trade that we took in the morning. Okay, it hit the stop loss here, a small stop loss. And later, same thing. This was a gap down opening, laid a trap, went. Okay, after this breakout, anyone would select a buy. Okay, but in the morning's video only, I told you that we should be buying only at 50% or 38.2 levels. So we could go ahead and cut this loss with this profit and this profit put together. However, it again gave a clear breakout. Okay, let's draw this like this. Okay, after this breakout, what did it do? It started falling with a M pattern. And what was the fall? This was a very big fall. So I went ahead and personally looked for news across all the sites, but there was nothing that could justify this particular momentum, friends. And that could justify this momentum in Bank Nifty and this momentum in Nifty. Absolutely no reason. So technically, I would say this is purely a game of operators that played. Another thing that I would like to tell you is, friends, today option sellers who had straddles or strangles selling, they lost money in the last 1.5 hours, friends. There was a big downfall and they lost money. Talking about positivity, if you want me to talk about positivity, I'll just like to pull up this put for 40,000. 40,000 put which was there at 20 rupees. This was 20 rupees and this is 400 rupees and this is in 1 hour, last 1.5 hour. Now, more importantly, if I convert to money, anyone who invested 1 lakh in this particular put, okay, it became 20 lakhs, friends. This is on calculator. Did any retailer really make this money? The answer is no. They would have not made this money at all. We had given LT for a buy. See, LT in the morning itself went up, retraced, a very good up momentum. After that, there was a head and shoulder pattern and it continuously made lower highs and lower lows, lower high, lower low, and finally touched our zone here. From there, it continuously kept on falling with the market. We said we can sell at this point, never came back here in the live trading session is what we talked about this level to sell. It also went down along with the market towards the end of the day. So I would say both the stocks performed. This one performed in the first half and Infi performed in the second half of the day. That's how. And if you want to see detailed reason of why these stocks performed, you can go ahead and visit today morning stream, I have given you all the reasons regarding this. Another thing that I would like to point out in Nifty and Bank Nifty is, friends, see, in Nifty, there was a double top, okay, wherein the second top was lower than the first top, okay, and it went just till the today's low or little below it, okay. So this was a sign of weakness, but it went till here. In Bank Nifty, the same double top was formed with two equal tops. Okay, so ideally, this is not enough weakness when compared to Nifty, but it outperformed, went further below the previous or day low. One more thing that I wanted to point out in Nifty Bank Nifty is, friends, see, Bank Nifty, when it was going below the sale, okay, the open interest sharply fell down for it. Okay, that means people lost interest in Bank Nifty. When it comes to Nifty, during this time, towards the end of the show, open interest came back again. So there is still interest. So people in Nifty, traders actually lost interest and liquidated their money, took their money in their hands. And Nifty, that's not what happened. Now what we can say is Nifty is kind of stronger than Bank Nifty. Now coming to our view about Nifty, Bank Nifty, both. Okay, now because of this kind of structure that has formed in one day, we would be bearish on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Positions, creating positions from top to the bottom. When there is a Fibon drawn, we are going to sell on every rise that is coming. Best place to sell would be 38.2 level, where we also have a this kind of a situation. When will we become bullish again? Only after crossing the 61.8 levels, which are around 40,000. Okay, that's the situation on Nifty. Same story, repeating the same story again. From the top to the bottom, if I'm drawing a Fibon, yes, we are going to sell on every Fibon level. First level is here, second level is here, third level, 50% is what we see, where there is a proper resistance lines. That's where we can go ahead and sell in Nifty. What is the 17,050? That is where we would look with some 40-50 point stop loss for a good 1:2 or 1:3 target downwards. Talking about the buy, we are choosing Ultratech Cement for a buy for a simple reason. It was strong even when Nifty and Bank Nifty fell continuously. Ideally, this is where Ultratech should have closed, but it was strong enough, stayed there, where there was also a kind of support zone that it formed. Okay, so this was your breakout, and it came at that particular line, which is a resistance line, which now became a support line. Coming to the sell stock, which is TCS, friends. Why are we choosing it? You have seen it has been in downtrend continuously. Now it did not cross this area, but the selling has already occurred in TCS now. So what we can do is we can go ahead and get a sell position in TCS. How would we create sell positions? We will keep a small Fibon here, friends. That way you will get a clear picture. See, from top to bottom, it is exactly taking rejection at the 50% levels. And at the 50% levels, you also see multiple resistances. So if you see a red candle here tomorrow, we'll sell at the low of that red candle. The 50% level as the stop loss, and we'll continue trailing our stop loss for first target here, and final target would be this low, friends. That's how we would select TCS for a sell. I hope you're enjoying this session, friends. If you are, please hit that bell so that you would not be missing out on any video that is coming up on the channel. Also hit the subscribe button. You can also share it with your friends, family members, everyone who is looking forward to make money from Indian stocks. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable Friday.